Hey guys, today I am going to review Oslo. It's an all-in-one web-based video editing and collaboration tool by Streamlabs. And you don't have to download anything to use it. It's all web-based. You could just use it on your computer on their website. So I am going to show you exactly how to use it. In this video, I will focus on the basics and then we will get more advanced options. The link is available in the video description. And just click on Get Started for free. And then create yourself an account. I am inside of my home page. Here where all your recent projects are going to show up. So you can create a new project. From here, I'm going to create a new video inside of this project. Now, the very first thing in basic editing is obviously uploading the files you want to edit. So you could use videos here, you could use photos. I'm going to press upload and I have a few clips here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this and open it up. And I am going to give it a few seconds here depending on the size of the clip. Now, once your media is imported, you should see a little preview of it right here. And then what you could do is you just press this plus sign, or you could grab and drag it and drop it. Down here is called your timeline. So everything that you do in editing will take place down here. And then it will show a preview of what you are looking at. This is your final video over here. So that this white line, this is called your playhead. So wherever this is, that's what you are going to see over here in your purview window. So for example, I could go to the very beginning, press play right here or spacebar on your keyboard, and it's going to play the video, the clip that I have. So next I am going to add another clip as well. So I am going to take this one and you could bring it down here. And then you could drag and drop it over here and make sure it connects to the previous clip. And make sure it snaps. See, when it snaps, it creates this plus sign in between where you could add a little transition. So now if I bring this white line here, sometimes you need to trim those clips. So I will show you here with this clip. Sometimes you want to make sure this starts a little bit later, grab it and end it a little bit sooner. So that's how you basically make an edit to the beginning or from end of the clip. And again, I am going to grab it and make sure it snaps to the previous clip. And sometimes you separate it in the middle of a clip. So especially if you are talking and you make a mistake, you could go over here, select this clip, and then there is this icon right here, participating, and I created arcade right here. I am going to go a little bit later, select this clip again, and I am going to cut again. And then now I could take something in the middle out like this. So I could select this and then press delete here. And then take the rest of it and then again snap it back to the previous clip. Now let me show you transitions quickly between each clip. If you press this plus sign, you have lots of different transition options here. So for example, if you press play now, it kind of has a different look to it. So these transitions are really useful anytime. You could delete them by clicking on them or updating them and choosing something else like this one. I will choose that, and that's a different look to it. That looks more advanced now. Some clips are going to have a little audio. So sometimes you want to detect the audio. If you right click on any of them, you could actually separate audio from the clip. And it will take the sound from that clip and put it on a different track over here. Now you could select this one, for example, and you could actually change the volume settings. So it's going to take you to the settings menu if you choose this audio track. And you could make it, for example, background music and turn it to 25 or 20 or all the way to 0. That's a great use of this, and you could always delete it too without interfering with the video file. Now, if you want to add some text as well, there is a text option over here. So if you look over here, we do have multiple different menus, and text is really simple to use. You just click on it right over here and it's going to add it to another track right here on top of your video. So I can click this text and I can type in my own text and it's putting it right over here. And you can change the color and size you want and put it anywhere within your project. It's really easy to move it around. You could always change the font size, etc. Here you could change the opacity of it too. If you want it to be a little bit transparent, you can always add multiple texts as well. I am going to add text after my video ends, and then I will show you what that looks like.